Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the drive is USB 3.0 or better and has enough space. Xbox requires speed and capacity for games. Once connected to the rear USB port, power the Xbox on. The console will detect the drive and prompt formatting. Accept and choose Install new things on this drive, so games install there automatically. Make sure to back up any personal files first if the drive was used elsewhere, because formatting erases data. Once you select Format for games and apps, the Xbox creates the proper partition and optimizes file layout for faster load times. That's why formatting matters. After formatting, set the drive as the install location in storage settings so new installs go there. If you need to move titles, select a game, choose Move or Copy, and pick the external drive. Make sure to use a rear USB 3.0 port to avoid throttled transfer speeds. To finish, confirm games launch from the external drive and set it as default if desired. Then you're done. If a title won't run, try a quick restart, then reconnect the drive and test another port. If problems persist, check the cable and USB port for damage and reformat the drive on the Xbox. That often restores the required partition table. As a key tip, always eject via storage settings before unplugging to prevent corruption and lost installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.